Click on the link below to get price. Welcome back. Today we're diving into a topic that combines comfort and cutting-edge technology. The MRCOOL Ductless 18,000 BTU Mini Split Air Handler and Condenser. If you're someone who values comfort at home, especially as the seasons change, you're in for a real treat. But first, let's talk about what a ductless mini split actually is. You might have heard this term thrown around, but what does it really mean? In essence, it's an innovative alternative to traditional HVAC systems that often come with the headache of expensive ductwork. Ductless systems, like the MRCOOL Mini Split, provide a sleek and energy-efficient solution for your heating and cooling needs. And the best part? They're designed with the DIY enthusiast in mind. Now, picture this scenario. After a long, exhausting day at work, the last thing you want to do is wrestle with complicated setups or wait for a professional to come help you out. Well, that's where MRCOOL shines. With this system, installation is incredibly straightforward, almost like a plug-and-play experience. You don't need any special tools or expertise to get it up and running. Imagine being able to set it up yourself and enjoy a perfectly comfortable space within just a few hours. Satisfying, right? And for those who might be wondering, how much space does this magical device cover? The MRCOOL Mini Split is super versatile and can efficiently cool or heat areas up to 800 square feet. This makes it an excellent choice not just for homes, but also for offices or even small commercial spaces. Whether you're battling sweltering summer heat or curling up on a chilly winter night, you can count on this unit to keep you comfortable year-round. Now, let's not forget about style. In today's world, aesthetics matter just as much as functionality. The MRCOOL Mini Split features a sleek and modern design that seamlessly fits into your decor. Plus, it operates quietly, so you can relax or focus on your work without any distracting noise in the background. You might even forget it's running. Speaking of control, let's get into what makes this mini split truly stand out. The system comes with a smart HVAC controller module, allowing you to adjust temperatures with just a few clicks. It's compatible with Google Assistant and Alexa, which is just incredible. Imagine walking into your space and saying, "Alexa, set the temperature to 72. How easy and convenient is that? And for those cozy moments where you just want to snuggle up without moving, there's a handy remote included that lets you control everything from the comfort of your couch. Another fantastic feature is the Follow Me function. Picture this. You're lounging on your couch, and the temperature in your living room isn't quite right. With the Follow Me feature, the system adjusts the temperature based on where you are in the room. It's like having your very own personal climate assistant on standby, ensuring your comfort at all times. Now let's take a moment to appreciate the construction that goes into the MRCOOL Mini Split. It boasts a gold fin condenser, which enhances durability and efficiency. Plus, the DIY Pro cable and all the necessary kits are included, making installation a breeze. It's no wonder that this system is ranked number 29 among split system air conditioners, boasting an impressive 4.4-star rating from users who have shared their experiences. So, let's pause and reflect for a moment. Think about your own space. Wouldn't you love to transform it into a haven of comfort? With the MRCOOL Mini Split, that dream can become a reality. You'll not only enjoy cutting-edge technology, but also a user-friendly design that fits your lifestyle. So why wait? Make the smart choice for your comfort today. Thank you so much for listening to today's episode. I'd love to hear your thoughts or questions on the MRCOOL Mini Split. Do you think it would fit well into your home? Or maybe you've already experienced the benefits of a mini split system. Share your insights. Remember, comfort is just a step away, and you deserve it. Click on the link below to get price.